What would our life be without energy and without mining? We are the Mining and Energy Planning Unit, ascribed to the Ministry of Energy and Mines, and today we celebrate 20 years of being the forefront in the planning of the country's energy and mining development, working side by side with companies within the sector and structuring the National Energy Plan that sets the tone of the country's energy development, connecting dreams, providing spaces to coexist with others, and creating solutions to improve the quality of life of millions of Colombians. We visualize the most favorable options for the sector by predicting the supply and demand of energy. Through the Generation Expansion Plan, we suggest the construction of new plants. We also identify the intentions of building new infrastructure through the registration of power generation projects. We contribute to the country's development by defining the requirements of national expansion and international interconnection through the Transmission Expansion Plan, which serves as input to further the calls of the national transmission system. "20 years of ensuring access to energy services for the community through the Coverage Expansion Plan, bringing energy to remote locations through the rural electrification programs." We technically and financially make it feasible to build new energy and fuel gas projects through the funds and royalties management throughout the national territory. We advise the sector by implementing specific and sector case studies as basis to modeling the activity. The National Development Plan for Non-Conventional Energy Sources sizes the contribution and development of alternative energy. Likewise, the Rational Use of Energy program consolidates the priorities of the Colombian state for an efficient use of the national energy basket. In matters of hydrocarbons, we consolidate the supply plan for the furnishing and transportation of natural gas and analyze the development of emerging energy resources such as propane gas and its application within the productive sectors, taking into consideration scenarios for hydrocarbons supply and demand. We are integrated planning and, in mining matters, we are in charge of the National Mining Development Plan, the instrument articulating the macroeconomic policy with the priorities set by the Ministry of Energy and Mines. Through the National Mining Land Use Plan, we promote the welfare of society on an orderly and sustainable extractive activity. In the Mining Energy Planning Unit, we address technical, economic, socio-environmental and market studies for the main Colombian minerals with a view to guarantee high standards of proficiency. Aware of the importance of the sustainable environmental and social development level, we also technically support the development of initiatives of transparency in the extractive industry. The challenges are countless and, parallel to the technological development, we have taken on the challenge of coordinating the sectorial information through the Chief Information Officer, CIO, by which we will unify the exchange of industry information, all in pursuit of well-being of the population and transparent access to information. We consolidate an important labor with the national energy balance in which the different energy supply and demand variables are being analyzed. We manage the Colombian Mining and Energy Information System, CIMEC, and its various modules relating to the activities of the mining, energy, oil and gas, environmental areas, and non-conventional sources. seeking evolution towards modern and contemporary systems with state-of-the-art technology. Our goal is to implement geo-referenced information systems, ensuring a more friendly and universal access to information. During this first 20 years, we have built a company with 126 employees and associates, planning and projecting a Colombia with a clear vision of the future, an optimistic and hopeful overview, achieving a greater progress every day. UPME, now stronger to assuring energy and ordering mining.